Alright, Chad, I'm back. So, I want to talk about this. The Flying Scotsman has taken over Union Pacific 844, the living legend. This is not good. This is not good. Why are they doing this? And now he got a Kansas City Southern SD90 Mac. A KCS SD90 Mac. You know, I think this hits hard. KCS should definitely use one of these. They use SD70 ACE, AC44000 CW, ES44AC, and more. They should definitely use one of these. This is so cool. No. BNSF is taking over Southern Pacific 4449. The daylight train's been taken over. This is not good. Why are they doing this to the Southern Pacific trains? Like, why? Why? Oh, look. We got an Amtrak Superliner. There's a Superliner Amtrak. And an Amtrak F40PH with... No. It's the mill. No. I can't. It can't be. It can't be. It's the Milwaukee Road. It's the Milwaukee Road. The Milwaukee Road. The Milwaukee Road. Literally, the Milwaukee Road. It's the Milwaukee Road. I don't know how many times I'm going to say Milwaukee Road. The Milwaukee Road has taken over Amtrak. What a shame. We love the Milwaukee Road. Subscribe if you love the Milwaukee Road. And we got a CSX Triclops SD60M. See the letters over there? CSX. Using a Triclops SD60M. This should definitely be on CSX. It's hard. Like, literally. A Sioux Line F59PHR. Wait, is that Metrolink? No. This is by a curse, so cursed. The cheesy system with a CSX paint scheme. Well, isn't the CSX originally the cheesy system? Or was it Conrail? I'm not sure. Was it cheesy system or was it Conrail quality? I'm not sure which one it was. Was it Conrail or cheesy system? But it has CS, so that means it's cheesy system. No. A BNSF MP36PH. That is literally Metrolink. Why would they use a BNSF paint scheme? A paint scheme of BNSF on a Metrolink MP36. If I saw this on BNSF, if I ever go rail fanning and I see this, I will literally crash out. Because this is cursed. This is not right. This is not okay. Please let there be a better... The Burlington route SD70AH? Or is SD70A? I don't know how to pronounce it. SD70AH? Probably. The Burlington route SD70AH. This supports the T4 SD70. Wait, go back. Did I just see a different train with a yellow Canadian paint scheme? Okay, wait. What's this? No. A Via Rail paint scheme on Southern Pacific. No. Ooh, a Burlington Northern SD70 Ace. One of these, I think Burlington Northern still exists. Burlington Northern still exists. I've seen a Burlington Northern train, a GP38, I believe, online. I think Burlington still exists. But with the SD70 Ace, I would recommend seeing that. Like, I think that's perfect. That's a Dash 840C on with a BNSF paint scheme. I thought for a second this was a B40 or a B840W, whatever it's called. But I would not recommend seeing BNSF using one of these. The paint scheme is the original BNSF paint scheme. No, we're not doing this again. Burlington Northern, why are you destroying the Southern Pacific and Union Pacific? Burlington Northern, you can't do this, man. Why? Like, why? Now a Frisco SD70 Ace. This gets crazier. Oh, it's 6022, the 25th anniversary Heritage Unit. Oh my gosh. No. No. A Southern is at Union Pacific on a GP38. That's supposed to be UP 1943. That's supposed to be UP 1943. But why is the paint scheme on a GP38? This is cursed. And now a CPKC SD70AH T4. Oh my gosh, please, so help me. This video, okay. Okay, no. Oh, wait, go back. There's bonus, there's more. Hold on. Okay, so we got a SD80 Mac on a Norfolk Southern and a CSX Siemens Charger. And I think that's the end of the video. Subscribe if you want more.